How to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So simply start by opening up your Binance and then head over to your wallets and then click on the deposit option. Now remember, you need to make sure to select either your funding or your crypto account. Then you just need to click on deposit and click on the search icon on the top and then search for USDT. After that, you're just gonna need to select your particular network. Let's say you want to go with the TRC20 on the top, so you just need to click on it and copy your deposit address. Make sure to open up your OKX now and then click on the six dots on the top left of your screen, and then you just need to click on this withdraw option. Now after clicking on it, you just need to search for the USDT just like so and click on it. Click on chain as we are sending it from the third party crypto exchange. Then you need to simply paste your wallet address just like so, and for the network, as we have selected TRC20, so we are going to select it just like so. Then you need to enter the amount and make sure to select your withdrawal account from which you want to withdraw your money, and this is going to also give you the preview how much you have USDT in your particular wallet. You can select accordingly, and then you just need to click on submit on the bottom of your screen, and as you can see, the network fee is 1 USDT. So that's the way of how you can transfer USDT from OKX to Binance.